Hi everybody, my name is Joe Roeder. I am the product specialist here at Jaguar Land Rover Lakeside, and as you can see, we're still under construction. Our construction right now, they're just doing the interior beams. It looks like it's moving a little slow, but basically they're doing the beams. As soon as that's all set, they're going to town, and they said they still should be ready by the first of the year, so that's looking good. Reminder to everybody, our service department and our sales are together back in our service department. So we're here to service and help all your sales needs. So please come and see us anytime. But with that, our service department is going to be out of service for the days of August 29th to September 4th. They're going to close down for their rebuild. So please make your appointments. Let's get you in, get you taken care of before they close down for the holiday week there. So that's basically everything we've got for this month. We'll see you next time at Joe in the Know.